right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa! That one hurt. Believe that.
There's always one underarm that hurts the most.
I'm so goofy. But hi guys. I'm whispering because my baby's sleeping and I'm trying to get like a little stuff done before he wakes up. It's been a while. I would say like maybe a month or two, maybe a month since you guys have saw me or see me upload a new video. What I'm talking about, pic. But I'm currently looking crazy right now. I hope you guys can hear me. This thing is hot. I'm currently looking like this right now because I'm trying to do a maintenance video for you guys because I have a trip coming. So okay guys, I'm back. This is me rinsing out my hair from the developer. I put some Vaseline around my edges and on my ears because I don't want it to burn my hair. I poured this with 40 developer. It said put 20, but that's all I have and that's what I always use. So I have already started I've already started adding some to my hair already, so I'm just gonna continue right through my hair. Ooh. Adding it right through, and then just let it sit for probably like 20 minutes, probably less than that, because I really don't want it to be sitting in my hair too long because I've already had the bleach going in my head and you know the whole bleaching process and dyeing and stuff. So I'm gonna continue putting it all through my hair. As you can see, that's it going in my hair right now, you know, and I'll get back to you guys once I've completed. Okay, hey guys, I'm back. I have currently deep conditioned my hair and also washed out the toner, and then I just said let me just wrap my hair up, but I forgot that I need to show you guys what my hair looks like, how it came out. So this is how. Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm currently on my way to the nail salon right now. Kind of wanted to leave like a little bit early. Oh wow, what is going on right here? Is it traffic or accident? Don't know. Don't nobody be on this road right here. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, I'm currently heading to go to the nail salon right now. My appointment is at 2 o'clock and it is 1:38 right now. It's actually not far from my home, so I'm working on good timing. It's about less than 10 minutes from my house, literally. So actually in a rush now because I don't want to be late for my appointment. I woke up on time, but then I went back to sleep. My face looked ashy. But I'm on my way to my wax appointment right now. It's at 5:40, and right now it's not 5:40. Shit. It's at 10:40, and it's currently 10:22 right now. I'm done. Underarms, upper lip, Brazilian, and upper legs. I don't do my lower legs because it really hurts. There's no way that I can deal with that. So Melissa, I go to this girl named Melissa in downtown DC by the airport. So she's fast. Like, she's super fast. Like, I get in and out like this. We were in there cracking up and stuff. I couldn't really record us talking and stuff because they had music playing in the background, and I didn't want to. I could take this thing off. I didn't want to get copyrighted. So yeah. So right now I'm just really going to see if I can find like 1 and 2 things in the mall. I'm pretty much done with packing. I don't really need anything, to be honest, but actually I do. I need like 1 pair of heels, like a nude or something, and I can't find that nowhere. But I'm just gonna swing to the mall and see what's going on in there. Yeah, and that's about it. This is the end of my maintenance video for a girls trip. You know, I've done my nails. I went and got my eyebrows waxed. I went and did my hair. You guys can see this is like the finished product. Finished results with my hair. And you see I got my wax. Oh, she took like everything. The lip, everything clean. My thighs. So just like, comment, and subscribe. You know, you guys can share to other people. You know, let's see if we can get me to, let's try to get me to 150 subscribers, because right now I have 70, which I am grateful for the ones that are already subscribed. Let's try to get me to 150 subscribers. If you click on my channel, just go ahead and click that red button down there. I would greatly appreciate it. You know, that will definitely help me be more motivated to put up more videos, which I'm trying to do now. Not trying to blab too much, but the reason why I haven't really put up too much videos is I had problems with like storage on my phone, because that's what I use to record for you guys. And I was just thinking, like, should I invest $600 in a camera? I just didn't want to really do it at that time. You know, I was like, I have my iPhone, why not? But yeah, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.